Hey everybody, welcome back. You can see behind me here, got the burner flipped upside down. I did go ahead and prep around the edge of the bottom of the tank there to start welding. I got to prep the bottom sheet steel for the bottom. Didn't video it because it's just grinding. You all seen that stuff before, so just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on here. I'm getting ready to, like I said, to prep that bottom piece. It's a little oversized, so what I'm thinking about doing is cleaning it up, tack welding it in place in a couple places, taking a torch, trimming off the excess, and then going back and welding. I may turn the camera on. I may try to do a time lapse. I've never done a time lapse before, so if I can figure it out, maybe we'll do a time lapse of welding it up. So just update there. So hang on, and we'll bring you back whenever we get the welding and stuff. Alright y'all, apparently I don't know how to shoot time lapse, so I'm gonna have to work on that. But you guys can see we got this would be the bottom all welded in, welded all the way around. Little welder actually did a really nice job. So I guess the next thing would be to flip this thing back over. We'll have to cut a hole in the top of it to put the chimney on. So I'm going to run a grinder around here a little bit just to clean things up a little bit, and then we'll get this thing flipped back over, and we'll get the hole cut in the chimney, and I think it'll be time to fire it. So y'all hang out. We'll bring you back. We'll get this thing flipped back up on its other lid. Alright y'all, got her flipped back over now. Now we just got to, I got this piece of 4-inch pipe here. Just need to take the torch, cut a hole in it, get that pipe fitted in there, and then I'll weld her in. I think I'm going to come about an inch back or inch forward, drop her in, and that'll give me a nice big surface here if I want to put a frying pan or something on there and do a little shop cooking. So, alright, let me get this marked out here with the soapstone, and we'll get her cut out. Alright y'all, got her all cut. Just need to clean up around the holes there a little bit, clean up the end of the pipe, and I'll get the welder out and I'll weld that thing in there. So give me a few minutes and we'll get that done. Alright y'all, got that all welded up in there, good and solid, no air leaks, and I think about the only thing left to do now. Well, I got the burn pot back in. The only thing I got to do is put the gasket on there, but that can come later. I think we need to set up a temporary fuel source up there, get some power to that thing, wheel it outside, we'll give it a fire up. So, alright y'all, here's the moment of truth. I kind of got a janky oil feed here set up, just a funnel and kind of plumbed in here. Now I have ran some fuel through it. This is a mixture of used oil and diesel fuel, and I've tossed a shop paper towel in the bottom there. So let's see if this thing will fire up and run. Alright, well, so far so good. The rag's burning. Let me get my fan plugged in here. See if we can get some air going. I got smoke coming out the top. Still got a feed going down in there, so I can see it dripping. See if we can help it out here some. That used oil I had, it might have had some water in it, but it looks like it's going. We still got a drip going, so I'm gonna let this burn a little bit and I'll bring y'all back. She's burning now, y'all. At a pretty steady rate. It's burning. I mean, that's hot enough I can't touch. It stopped starting to get warm, and just with the breeze out here, I can actually feel heat coming through them. So let me put a little more fuel up in the funnel here. Top that thing back off. And y'all can see there I got a pretty good stream coming in there, but see if I can back that down some. And yeah, we thinned her out there. Yeah, she's burning. I mean, she's got a little smoke to her, but I think once we get a chimney on it, I think it'll be okay. And that's with the air wide open too, so I can back that down some. Back that air down. Now that's with that thing air almost closed. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But yeah, she's burning. She is burning, y'all. Once I get that gasket going, once I get that gasket on that door, I think she'll be good, doing pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I get a fan blowing. I can't touch them. I mean, I can feel good heat coming out of there. So, all right, y'all. Now she does have some smoke coming out of her, but like I said, I don't know what it'll do after we get the chimney put on it. So, but yeah, I can barely put my hand on the top of that. So I get a fan on that back side. I think she'll be I think she'll do pretty good. Alright, y'all, that's straight used motor oil. I let the diesel fuel motor oil blend burn out, and I dumped just straight used motor oil in there, and that's what she's doing. So yeah, I got very little smoke coming out of it now with that used oil. So I think we got a winner. Hope y'all can hear me. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for this video. We got the used oil burner burning. Now we just need to get the old wood burner out of the way, get this thing in, get my chimney put out, rain outside, and we got free heat from junk. Hope you all enjoyed the series. If you like this, please like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, get all the notifications, everything I do. So that's going to do it. That thing's running out of fuel because I just got that little fuel source, you know, put in there, or actually over there, right there. So, all right, again, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you all on the next one.